time in class we were talking about how, I guess, how insignificant we were and how important we were at the same time. I was explaining to them about the whole universe and how many planets there are, and not only how many planets, but how many other solar systems there are in the whole universe. And not only solar systems, but thousands and thousands of stars that exist, yet Christ still came down to earth to save us. With that, we just want to give you a taste of a song that we started practicing, and it was suggested by Umulo, who was like, yeah,